Hey guys, what up? It's Elias here with the Yes Do It team from the Costa Rican jungle. Have you ever had that kind of customer that needs you to do this huge project, and whenever you ask for their budget, they're like, man, it's not that much, or it's pretty small, and blah 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 blah. The thing is, you do look pretty dumb thinking someone can build a mansion having a little ranch's budget. With that idea in mind, think about this. That's exactly how you look when you think you can build an online business using only free tools, free software, free content, and not only is that a much more tiring path, but also a slower one as well. And hey, don't get me wrong, I myself create free value content for the internet because I know how powerful that can be. Not just for me, but for anyone out there looking for a well-explained and entertaining tutorial that they can absorb lots of valuable information from. However, it does not matter how much fun can a nice ranch bring you when what you need to build is actually a mansion. So this is directly linked to your goals. If you're learning internet marketing techniques only as a hobby, you can stay in the free side of the moon for life, and you will always find valuable information over there. But if this isn't a hobby for you, if you're actually building an online business, you need to take this a lot more serious. No business goes up without investment. No plant grows without water, and no vehicle moves around without a power source. So don't be afraid to invest on yourself. I will always tell you the same thing. The best investment someone can do is invest on themselves. And when you're paying for a software that makes you money, that's exactly what you're doing. You're investing on yourself. Now, I want to tell you exactly which software I'm paying for that is making me money every month. The first one is Canva. This is a software that I use on a daily basis to create graphics without having designing knowledge, without being an illustrator, without being a designer, without knowing how to use Illustrator or Photoshop or anything like that. The second one is a mail sending service that I use daily to send out newsletters to my email list. The third one is a software I use to track down the commissions I make with an internet marketing program online. And the last one is called GitHub. This one I use to organize and keep track of the software development projects that we're running. The monthly bill for all four of them together, it's actually a bit over $400 a month. And they are all profitable. So that is my advice to you guys. Invest in software that makes you money, not software that takes money out of your pocket. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Stay active, stay cool, and stay tuned. Ciao, ciao.